Hello students, welcome to English language class. Today we will learn about abstract noun. In previous, we have already learned about nouns definition, classification, but and also common and proper noun in detail. So today is the next one, that is abstract noun. So we know about abstract noun. Before starting abstract noun, we again memorize the nouns. In there, I said you nouns means the word that we can see, we can hear, we can touch, we can use our five sense organs for identify them. Look at here, I am giving some example of each and every nouns. For example, common city, proper Mumbai. Then compound noun, toolbox, backbone, material, coal, sugar, collective, a swarm of bees, pile of books, countable, hat, bat, uncountable, milk, rice, rat, rats, man, men. So these all nouns we can either see or hear or touch or taste or smell. But so that's why they are under this noun. What is this? It's called concrete noun. But only one noun under this nouns classification, and only one noun is there. They are unlike concrete noun. Means the opposite. That means we cannot see, we cannot hear, we cannot touch, we cannot taste, we cannot smell. Understood? So look at here. I think it is clear to you when we discuss about a definition of abstract noun and example of abstract noun. Look at here, what is the definition of abstract noun? Abstract nouns are names of things that are not concrete. That means unlike concrete noun, they are the name of things that we cannot see. So concrete nouns can see and abstract noun cannot see. Concrete noun can hear, we can hear, but abstract noun we cannot hear. Concrete noun we can touch. Concrete noun, for example, this is a noun. Whiteboard, this is a noun, we can touch it. Marker, this is a noun, we can touch it. But abstract noun we cannot touch. In concrete noun, we cannot taste, already I said. We can taste, but here we cannot taste. Here, in abstract noun, we cannot smell, but concrete noun we can smell. So this is the main difference between abstract noun and all other nouns. All other nouns are, except abstract noun, all other nouns are under this noun. That means concrete noun. Is it clear to you? Then look at here. These 2 points are there. They are the names of quality. So what is the meaning of quality? I think it will clear to you when you listen the example of quality. For example, quality, beauty, honesty, bravery. These all are quality of a man or woman. That means a person's quality. Then feeling, sadness, anger, cheerfulness. Look at here. They are the name of feelings. So these are feelings. They are the name of states. States means childhood. manhood, friendship, womanhood. They are the name of concept or ideas. Concept, oblique ideas. So concept and ideas are similar. So freedom, justice. These are ideas. We cannot see, we cannot hear, we cannot touch, we cannot taste or smell. Dream. Okay. So they are the example of this. Then third one. They usually do not have any plural form. That means we cannot change these into plural form. City we can change into cities when it is talking about more than city. Compound noun here toolboxes. But material noun we cannot change. Collective noun we can change. Means a swarm of bees means a group of, already it is in plural. Countable we can change, but uncountable we cannot change. And singular plural means those what are countable, that can be only singular to plural, but uncountable nouns, there we cannot change singular to plural. So here these also abstract noun also, they usually do not have any plural form. Beauty is not possible, honesty is not possible, thoughts not possible, then behavior not possible. Okay, is it clear to you? Okay, so in next video we have to know how abstract noun formed. Okay, so keep watching in next video. Goodbye.